Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 04 May 2018, 17 of hour, 12 of minute and 37 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is it illegal to have pocket knife? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about is it illegal to have pocket knife. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about is it illegal to have pocket knife. However, such knives are still generally illegal to carry in public, whether on one's person or in a vehicle, unless transported in such a manner as to prevent ready access by the owner, lockbox, locked trunk, etc. Folding, non-lock blade knives are legal to carry if the blade length does not exceed 7 cm, 2.756 in. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.